called Rapha Valley because my advocacy is healing. No, let your food be your medicine, as Hippocrates says.
Gusto ko, Organiko.
Organic farming sa Negros. Rapha Valley.
1.5 oras mula sa Bacolod City ang Don Salvador, Benidicto. Tinaguriang summer capital ng Negros Occidental kung saan matatagpuan ang Rapha Valley. Ang Rapha Valley ay sinimulan ni Dr. Albert Ho, isang medical doctor, sa pagnanais niyang maibahagi ang benepisyong hatid ng tamang pagkain at nutrisyon sa kalusugan.
Institution, government agencies, and all that, we look for a place in Don Salvador. Why Don Salvador? Because I like cooler place usually because I am an asthmatic before, so I want it to be a cooler place. So we looking for place in Don Salvador for 2 weeks. This is called Rapha Valley.
Isang organic farm, organic food hub, at tourist destination ang Rapha Valley. Layunin nitong maituro ang tamang pagkain para sa malusog na pangangatawan.
This one is a very ordinary plant. This is anti-cancer. This is lantana. Rapha Valley conceptualized because of the teaching that I always follow is let your food be your medicine, because I was healed also with changing a lifestyle of the manner of.
Ang Rapha Valley ay malaparaisong lugar para sa vegetarians at sa mga naghahangad ng pagkain nagbibigay kalusugan.
My dream at first when I was in the elementary grade was to become a chef. But it's only my dad who wants me to be a doctor. So I really love to formulate menus that are good for your body. From our salads to our main courses and to our desserts, we incorporate the ingredients that can bring healing to our body. When we do our salads, we do not only put lettuce in our salad. We incorporate all the flowers because, as we know, flowers, it is energy giving because the energy of the plant is in the flowers. In our salad, we have the Gynora procumbens that we add there, the leaves for the triglycerides, cotocola as memory enhancers, arugula for metal cleansers. We add antioxidant in the form of our butterfly or colored flowers and leaves.
Sadyang hinanap ni Dr. Ho ang sariwang hangin at tahimik na lugar sa Don Salvador, Benidicto para gawing organic farm at restaurant.
The first property that we purchased is 2.5 hectares. We were planted before with the sugarcane. And as you know, in Negros, it's a practice that when you plant sugarcane, you put herbicides, you put also fertilizers that destroys the land itself. So only 8,000 square meter is the only one that has never been planted with anything. And it's in the valley, dedicated for vegetable, herb, and flower gardening.
May aquaponic system din sa Rapha Valley kung saan ang tubig at slime mula sa fish pond na may hito ay nagsisilbing masustansyang pataba para sa mga pananim.
Little by little, we are evolving. First, we just buy organic fertilizer. Then, right now, we are not using anymore any animal manure. I am practicing now green manuring. Even though we cannot produce big lettuces, bigger size carrots, and even the squash and the watermelons are not so big, but we are sure that we are chemical-free.
Ipinapakita sa Rapha Valley ang back-to-basic farming na ligtas at di mabigat sa bulsa.
Ang vermicomposting namin, ginagawa na namin in the very natural. Like in our gardens, we plant a lot of bananas. We cut it in halves and we put it like fence, double. And then we put our kitchen waste, the ground leaves that we have, we put it there. The pest infestation naman, we buy tuba and we put molasses into that and we put it in empty bottles with like windows. The insects come in and die there.
Bilang isang manggagamot, ipinapahayag ni Dr. Ho ang kalusugan ng organic farming at organic foods.
The problem right now is mostly is viral in origin, or it's virus. And we can combat it by just building our immune system. But to protect yourself, we have to increase our immune system. And one of the immune system build-ups is our buko, which is very cheap, no? Usually, one buko with 7 leaves of oregano, because the leaves of oregano, according to W.H. Martindale, it will give you an antioxidant property of 42 apples, 30 potatoes, 12 oranges, half a cup of blueberry, and 4 carrots. It is antiviral, antibacterial, and antifungal. So that protects you already. Then we add like 1/8 cup of malunggay, because according to the Nutrition Center of the Philippines, 1/8 cup of malunggay will give you already a calcium of an equivalent of 4 cups of milk. You have already 7 oranges of vitamin C. You have already 4 carrots of vitamin A, and you have already 3 bananas of potassium. Plus, it has proteins, it has all the minerals that it contains. So, 1/8 cup of malunggay is very affordable to us when you incorporate it in your juice. Then we put our pansit-pansitan, because pansit-pansitan is known to be a good kidney and liver cleansers. And the goto cola are memory enhancers. So you have already a concoction which is almost complete with a very cheap price. Siguro ang pinakamahal lang dyan, your buko, which costs right now 15 to 20 pesos each. Be patient in drinking all this. And if you really don't want the taste of it in your glass, you just put cling wrap, and poke a straw on a cold juice. And then when you don't smell it, you cannot taste it. I believe this is all provided by God to us. Magtutok lang tayo in our surroundings. We have a lot of grasses that will benefit us.
Naniniwala si Dr. Ho na abot kamay pa rin ang mabuting kalusugan para sa maliit na magsasaka.
I encourage the farmers to use their product to be sure na organic ang itatanim nila. So this is really what I encourage them, na the advantage of planting organic. Kasi alam mo, kahit sa mga cancer patients, ang nakita ko lang na nag-heal are really people that really true organic ang ginagamit nila. Like this surgeon in the US, that is always my example. You can learn about her life, si Lorende. You can go to lorende.com and you can discover she is a surgeon, and yet hindi siya nagpa-surgery ng breast cancer na. But in 2.5 years of using organic carrot juice and one glass of green juice every day, she was healed of cancer. Magkano ngayon magkasakit? Pero if you can start right now, this is a big, help to your health already. You are already preparing for whatever worse that will come later on with all of these viruses that are discovered right now. So yan dapat ang ma-realize ng farmers, that by planting organically grown products, organically grown vegetables, it is a big advantage first to their families that eat it.
Hindi basta pagkain, kundi masustansyang pagkain. Hindi lang masustansyang pagkain, kundi malinis na pagkain din. Para sa masiglang buhay, ito ang prescription ni Dr. Albert Ho, ang organic farming. Kayang-kaya na, mabisa pa.
O aking bayan, suna, organikong agrikultura.